Good morning, guys. Today is September 14. This is Stratford Festival Theater in Stratford, Ontario. So this is their garden in front of it. And then one of these is my favorite. This is one of my favorite flowers. They look beautiful and they are big. Yeah, malalaki ang bulaklak. Okay, ito rin. Anong pangalan nito? Here. Rhodiola fulgia, Black-Eyed Susan. So, yan palang pangalan niyan. Ito, I want to know the name for this one. Okay, Hibiscus, Southern Belle. Yan palang pangalan niyan. Hardy Hibiscus. Malaki ang bulaklak. Look at that. How big the flower is. And ano pa? Mayroon ding puti doon. Asan ba? Basta papasyal. Ayun. Mayroon ako nakita dito na oh, this one too. Look at this. It's a different color. That one is brighter, but I like that one than this. This is a little dull red. Parehas din. And those are the white one. And ano pa? Uy, may bee. Okay. So, pupunta. Sorry, naglalakad ako. Maraming bulaklak. Oh. At least dito, mayroong mga pangalan. Yung mga bulaklak. Oh, blanket, flower. Yan. And that is one. Phylon obliqua, red turtle head. Oh. If you want to learn the names of flowers, here they are. Dragon's blood. Yeah, I love to see flowers. Kaya I'm also sharing you the side, yung mga beauty ng mga bulaklak na ito. So, hopefully you will enjoy watching just like yung mga pag gaya sa akin. I really love flowers. Oh, mayroong squirrel na itim. Where are you, squirrel? I'm not going to hurt you. Oops. No. I thought he gonna attack me. I'm so scared. Sorry. Usually, squirrel doesn't come nearby to you. As soon as they will see you, they will run away. But the one is just trying to come near me. And that scares me because I don't know if the squirrel will attack me. So anyway, I'm gonna end up my video soon. I just want to show you a little bit of these flowers. What is that, Dr. Rattle? Ang gaganda. Okay, everywhere. May mga bees. Okay, salamat sa panunood. Sana panoorin nyo pa ang marami pang vlog ko. Dahil gusto ko rin ma-enjoy ninyo yung mga nakikita ko. I'm only sharing it. Salamat po. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.